Introducing the Usha Mist Air Table Fan. This mounting type freestanding table fan measures 46.5 by 14.5 by 57.7 centimeters and weighs 4.07 kilograms. It has 3 aerodynamic blades and comes equipped with a 3-level speed controller. The motor is 100% copper that consumes 55 watts and requires 230 volts AC and 50 Hz power supply. The fan comes in purple color. It is also available in blue, red, black and yellow, oak and white. The body has a uniform and jerk-free oscillation with an easy tilting mechanism to set the airflow as required, providing a 400 mm sweep. The fan has 67 cubic meter per minute air delivery and 1280 RPM speed. This Usha fan has a sturdy wide base and a resettable fuse to protect from thermal overload. It allows for low noise operation and easy maintenance and sports a finger-proof safety grille. The box includes one fan motor, one guard set, one blade set, one base and an instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information,